GM wants its Chevy Volts back, all 8,000 of them. It wants to add new safety enhancements concerning the battery. Some upgrades are coming to the Volt to make it safer. This after a formal safety investigation was launched to see why some Chevy Volts caught fire days, even weeks after crash tests. Our Alicia Smith shows us what it will mean for drivers.
The scrutiny came after standard side impact crash testing of the Chevy Volt last May. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration says the car caught fire 3 weeks after the test. In some tests, the lithium-ion battery would get damaged and the coolant line would rupture. So NHTSA launched a formal safety investigation, even though no Volt owners had reported any trouble.
There have been no real-world incidents like the one NHTSA experienced after its severe crash test. To reiterate, not one.
Even still, Mark Roy says the company wants Volt owners to have peace of mind.
GM will conduct a customer satisfaction program and implement structural and cooling system enhancements to further protect the Volt battery from the possibility of an electrical fire occurring days or weeks after a severe side crash.
There are 3 safety changes. Strengthen an existing portion of the Volt's vehicle safety cage to further protect the battery pack in a severe side collision. Add a sensor in the reservoir of the battery coolant system to monitor coolant levels. And add a tamper-resistant bracket to the top of the battery coolant reservoir to help prevent potential coolant overfill. The changes will also be made in new Volts coming off the line.
My daughter drives one to school. My wife drives our other kids around in one. Even if I remotely thought that there was the slightest risk involved with that, there's no way I'd allow it. I trust the Volt with the most important thing in the world to me, my family.
GM Vice President of North America Mark Roy says Volt owners have logged nearly 20 million miles without an incident similar to the results in the NHTSA crash test. Volt owners will be contacted when the changes are ready for their cars. Dealers are expected to start those enhancements next month. Alicia Smith, 7 Action News.